Remove account from Gmail app. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how can remove a Gmail account from your Gmail app. So I will show in this video. I'm going to show in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, on my Android phone, and so let me open Pearl Gmail application. Okay, you can follow this step if you're using iPhone. Okay, so I just so this is my Gmail app, and now you have to tap on your profile photo, and you will see all email ID which you have logged in with. So now just scroll down and click on manage account on this device. After tap on manage account on this device, it will be open the your accounts. You can see all your Google accounts which you have logged in with your device. You can see here. So in order to delete Google account, you have to select the account which you want to delete. So just click on it, and here you can see the option the remove account. So there's a different option for different mobiles. So maybe you will get option here. You will see the three dot here. You have to click on. You will see the remove option, or maybe you will see remove option here. So just click on remove, and it will be delete. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.